की तानों सी वेदों पुराणों सी मोहन की गीता के जैसी तुमसे है अच्छाई तुमसे ही सच्चाई तुलसी की सीता के जैसी तुम।
Happy holy birthday to you, Sadhvi ji. What I have seen during these almost 21 years, Sadhvi ji is a very special soul, very divine, very sublime. Her whole life is a journey from Hollywood to the Hollywoods. Her devotion, dedication, commitment to humanity is a true example for all. And today, when we are celebrating her birthday, I think let us take a new birth in our own hearts also. A birth we can give in our hearts to seva, to smaran, to samarpan. And let our life also become a sangam of these three divine qualities. Happy birthday to you again. God bless you. Wonderful to have you on the banks of Ganga, Sadhvi ji.
Happy birthday, Bhagwati. Many happy returns of the day. I had been a silent witness to your journey since 1996 when you made your way to Paramarth Niketan. It's a joy. I experience this like a mother. I always wish you a great time, great future. Happy birthday.
Sadhvi ji is like the Ganga, always giving, always there, always for humanity. If there is a need in this world, her heart is there with that need. Her diligence and dedication to this world has shown through decades of service here in Rishikesh and around the world. It's because of her beautiful heart, her caring nature that so much gets accomplished, and her loving dedication to Puja Swamiji. She's a rare soul on this earth, and I'm glad to call her my sister.
Jai Shri Krishna, Sadhvi ji. Happy birthday to you. What you have done for us, especially for me, there's only one thing I can tell is happy birthday, and God give you long life to inspire us. Ever since I've seen you, I've met you, the life has changed, it's still changing. When I hear your satsang, I sit in there, and without asking a question, I'm getting all the answers. It's so difficult for me to tell at this point how I feel about it. Maybe someday I can write about it, और बस स्वामी जी के ब्लेसिंग और आपके ब्लेसिंग से लाइफ का बहुत इफ़ेक्ट हुआ. And happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sadhvi ji. When I think about how you have impacted my life, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. Here at Paramarth Niketan on the banks of Ma Ganga. And for that, I am eternally grateful. And you have made an impact not only on my life, but on so many lives of everyone that you come into contact with. I watch you at satsang, and I know that you have touched so many lives by the clarity that you bring about the divine into everyone's life that you touch. And so for that, namaste, I love you, and I'm so happy that I can celebrate your day with you.
Pujya Sadhviji, impact. She has been an inspiration, someone I would like to follow. When I think about her, I think about bliss and grace personified. Happy birthday. Your birthday always comes 2 weeks after mine, and I am so, so happy to be here to celebrate with you, as I do every year.
साध्वी जी, हिंदी में हम कहते हैं तुम जियो हज़ारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000। वैसे हम सभी की इच्छा है कि आपके भी जीवन इस तरह से हो कि हम सबको आपका आशीर्वाद, आपकी एग्जाम्पल हमेशा मिलता रहे। आपसे सबसे ज़्यादा जो हमको इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है वो आप जैसे सेवा करते हैं, हमेशा गंगा जी की तरह, लाइक पूज्य स्वामी जी सेज कि हमेशा चलते रहते हैं, ऑन गिविंग एंड गिविंग एंड गिविंग with no expectation, no hesitation, no vacation and no discrimination. चाहे वो 12 बजे रात हो या 6 बजे सुबह हो, आप ऑन रहते हो, ऑफिस में रहते हो, फ़ोन से अवेलेबल रहते हो, इतनी तरह से आप सेवा करते हैं। तो आपको देख करके हम सबको इतनी इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है, इतनी शक्ति मिलती है कि हम भी आपकी तरह इस तरह से सेवा करें, अपने पूरे जीवन को इसी तरह से समर्पित करें। तो आपकी जन्मदिन के लिए हम सब की यही शुभकामनाएं हैं कि आप हम सबको इसी तरह से अपने एग्जाम्पल से आशीर्वाद देते रहे, एग्जाम्पल देते रहे और अपना सानिध्य देते रहे। प्रणाम।
I'll never forget the first night I heard you speak. It was almost exactly 3 years ago to this day, at the satsang the night before your birthday. My friend and I were staying here in the ashram, and we'd heard about the satsang, and we were both just completely blown away by your words, by your presence, by your energy, by everything about you. I thank you for the time you've given me and for being so present in that time where you've been so busy, you've had so many things to deal with. Thank you for having belief in me, for your support, for your never-ending guidance, and most of all for your love. You were always an inspiration, but since I moved here, you've been like the big sister I always dreamt of. You've been a mother figure to me, a mentor, and most of all a spiritual guide. I love you, you are truly flawless, and thank you so much for everything.
Jai Shri Krishna Didi, you are a great inspiration for my journey of yoga. Your ever smiling face, your confidence, your seva, your balance at all times are really inspirational. So wish you a very happy birthday and love you.
Jai Shri Krishna Sadhvi ji, many happy returns of the day. You have been a great inspiration for me ever since I first came to Parmarth Niketan Ashram in 2010. You have always been there for me with spiritual as well as practical advice and an extremely understanding heart. And you serve with so much love and dedication, and I pray may we all serve and give the way you do and be the true disciple of the Guru just like you. Once again, happy birthday.
A very happy birthday, our beloved Sadhvi ji. It was love at first sight when I first met you, and we have loved every minute out here. You are the reason that I'm here today, and I've enjoyed every minute, and we wish that millions of people like me can come in contact with you and benefit just the way we are. It's a veritable heaven on earth, just having you around, problem shooting us, showering us with so much of love. God bless you and wish you the best.
Happy birthday! I hope you have a wonderful day. I just wanted to take this opportunity to mention how grateful I am to have met you, and also to tell you that you're such a big inspiration and such an amazing role model for everyone in the world, especially for women. And that's the first impression I had about you the first time I met you, that you're such an amazing woman, and you're one of my role models, and I love you so much, and thank you so much for everything.
Oh, Sadhviji, happy birthday. I just love you. I love the way you just not judge us and the way you think we're great the way we are, and you always encourage us to do the things. And when you don't like it, you don't even say it's wrong. You just keep quiet and give us the look. So that's perfect. Love it. Thank you. Keep shining on us. Keep inspiring us. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Sadhviji. There are many people who can talk about spirituality, but very few who can convey it through their presence. And you are one of those rare souls. And in these last few months, I have been inspired and I have learned a lot from you, because all the spiritual values are embodied in the way that you talk, the way that you behave, and just the serenity that you radiate. May God bless you with a very long and healthy life, so that you continue to inspire scores of people all around the world. Happy birthday again.
जय श्री कृष्णा, जय गंगे। प्रणाम दीदी। आपका जीवन हम सबके लिए जो सेवा वाले हैं, हम सबके लिए एक उदाहरण है कि कैसे सेवा करते समय अपने फेस पे स्माइल रहे और सबके प्रति सम्मान रहे। आपको रात को 12 बजे फ़ोन करो या सुबह 6 बजे फ़ोन करो, कभी आपको अनफिट नहीं देखा, आपको कभी सैड नहीं देखा। हमेशा खिला हुआ चेहरा, खुशनुमा चेहरा, और कोई सैड हो और आपको देख ले तो वो भी खुश हो जाता है। और आप जो सेवा करते हैं उसमें एक समर्पण है। सेवा बहुत लोग करते हैं, लेकिन समर्पण भाव कुछ लोगों में होता है। मैं माँ गंगा से यही प्रार्थना करूँगा आज आपके दिन पे, सुदिनम सुदिनम जन्मदिनम तव भवतु मंगलम जन्मदिनम। आप जीवो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000, क्योंकि आपका जीवन हम सब के लिए एक उदाहरण है। तो उदाहरण हमेशा सामने रहनी चाहिए। जय श्री कृष्णा, जय गंगे, प्रणाम।
बधाई हो बधाई, शुभ दिन की बधाई। बधाई हो बधाई, शुभ दिन की बधाई।
बधाई हो बधाई, शुभ दिन की बधाई।
बधाई हो बधाई, जन्मदिन की बधाई।
बधाई हो बधाई, जन्मदिन की बधाई।
जन्म दिवस पर देते हैं तुमको हम बधाई।
जन्म दिवस पर देते हैं तुमको हम बधाई।
जीवन का हर एक लम्हा हो तुमको सुखदाई।
जीवन का हर एक लम्हा हो तुमको सुखदाई। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
जन्म दिवस पर देते हैं तुमको हम बधाई।
जन्म दिवस पर देते हैं तुमको हम बधाई।
जीवन का हर एक लम्हा हो तुमको सुखदाई।
जीवन का हर एक लम्हा हो तुमको सुखदाई।
धरती सुखदाई हो अंबर सुखदाई। जल सुखदाई हो पवन सुखदाई। बधाई हो बधाई,
शुभ दिन की बधाई।
is a very special day in the life of Sadhvi Bhagwati ji. Today is her divine birthday. People come from all over the world, but especially it happens and people go back. But something special happened to her, and she said, I have found my home, and never went back. Never went back. For last 21 years, she is a divine touch to people who come from all across nation and all across world. God give you another 50 years to serve humanity without any barriers, boundaries of caste, creed, color, region and religions. God bless you, Sadhvi ji.
Sudinam